Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kini long ki khobor bam takasngi. National Vice President ka National People's Party NPP but sembut Menteri Rangba ka jilla ba Prestone tensang hene kasngi ba ar ula kantat warya ka jingkynnoh badan ka jersey bamsam halor ka kamthiat jaka hamau pedang. New Shillong Township da unong yalam AITC Dr. Mukul Sangma kabakot shispa saw phok lor tingka. Uba Prestone ula penpai kela ya kanya da kabaong ba unong yalam ula penut palat ya kapor haki jingkynnoh ya kiwei pat ki seng saiñ pyrthei ka pen idak ya ka jingkhyllem jong. Kamdei ka jersey kumno pila ban ong badei ka jersey ayu ba umukul ukran ngi hap ya kat kum kalinti traikam. Kumbang ong haba phitiat ya ka jaka la pensyong do daki district collector ka revenue. Kamdei satya ka blasule matla da mangala ni ukonran henry kadon ha kalinti bahap yan. Kawi kalinti hadin kawi pan kelawan na katanat urban but let siya katanat revenue but kawan siya ka kinhun menteri but ngi menjer ya ka ong uba Prestone habaya kran but kinong tho kubor. U Dr. Mukul ulakam baka sorkar MDA kala syakhat madan ya ki kam bamsam jongka bad dawa bade ban toket mardor halor kane ka jingkynnoh jersey thiat jaka hamau pedang ka bakot palat shispa sau folklor tingka. Uba Prestone ulabu jingkeli ya ka jingmut jong unong yalam kaliang persyak ban pelut palat ya ka bor ha ka ban kawang tin bat kynnoh ya ka sorkar MDA habaong nga syep tiang ba umukul unsharem ha ka election. Ulaong ba ubriu balap min ban kynnoh ya kiwei kibriu ne seng saiñ pyrthei udei ubom dan daw satya laj no tangki jingkynnoh bat jingkynnoh. Usembut Menteri Rangba ulaong ba usngoti kena ban nadu lasai kasngi hadu ka arfnriu tarik rimpang unong yalam kaliang persya unsa penmi ya ki jingkynnoh bathamai persya ya ka NPP haba benram. Henry nadu ka arfnriu tarik rimpang unsa lej banthia. Unum krensyu halor gini ki jingkynnoh namar ba ka jingthep vote kala kut ha ka por sawaji janmin. Haba penpau bakum kini ki jingkynnoh khlem nong rim ki pen i ya ka jingkhyllem no jong Dr. Mukul uba Prestone ula ong. Namar kata nga ong happy ba unong yalam uba pelut palat ya ka por ban kynnoh ya ki wei par ki seng saiñ pyrthei ka dei ka dak jong ka jingkhyllem.
Come is he talking about? Because this procedures is there. As I said to you, when we acquire the assessment done by the district collector, by revenue, it is not that we just blindly done by me or by Conrad, but the procedures is in place. Then only step by step it comes from the urban affairs and then it goes to the revenue department and thereafter it comes to the cabinet, then we approve it. That's it. But see again, why Dr. Mukul Sangma he spends so much time in allegation. I'm afraid he may lose election. A person who spend maximum time in alleging other person or other political parties, I think they don't have any agenda on their own. So the agenda is what? Just to allege. So tomorrow again new allegation will come, maybe till 26. From 27 he'll go and sleep. He'll not talk anymore about the allegation because the voting ended up to 4 o'clock in the evening, is it not? So therefore, I'm telling you, a leader who spend more time in alleging other political parties means it is a sign of downfall.
Thank you.